Now it's 3 past 15 p.m. Sorry, a.m. So I am recording this one at my balcony. I can feel the silence of the night. There is a lot of dogs and some people walking on the road. Whoever, whatsoever, I'm trying to record these songs. Just attention, Charlie Booth, the singer. I'm trying to record this one through my motivational speech. You have been running round, running round, running round. You have been going round, going round every party because you know that, I know that, I know that, I know that trace to karma, perfume regrets. You got the thinking, and now I am all up. Yeah, what you expect, but you are not. You just want attention. I do not want my heart. Maybe you just hate. You just want attention. I know from the start. You just making sure I am never getting over you. You have been running round, running round, doing that. That all my said, baby. Now that we are right now here, standing face to face. You already know. I know that. Best karma. This is karma. Perfume regrets. You got me thinking, and I am all you. No, yeah, all you up, yeah. You expect, baby. You just want attention. You don't want my heart. Maybe you just hate the thought of me with someone. Yeah, you just want attention. I knew from the start. You just making sure I never getting what you are doing. What you are doing to me. What you are doing. What are you? What you are doing to me. What you are doing, yeah. What you are doing to me. What you are doing, yeah. What you are doing. I know the dress of karma. I feel regrets. You got me thinking about when you were mine, and now I am all up. Yeah, what you expect, but you are not coming home with me tonight. You are just want attention. You do not want my heart. Maybe you just hate the thought. Yeah, you just want attention. You just want attention. I know from the start. You just, what are you doing? What are you doing to me? What are you doing? What are you doing to me? Yeah, you just want attention. You just want attention. What are you doing to me? I know from the start. What are you doing to me? Yeah, you just making sure I never. You just want to making sure I never. You just want attention. You just want attention.